wabarakatuh and good morning. Today we are going to learn prepositions of place. What is prepositions of place? Prepositions of place is preposition which is used to refer to where something or someone is located. Opposite. The frog is opposite of the box. Next to. The frog is next to the box. In. The frog is in the box. Between. The frog is between the boxes. Under. The frog is under the box. Near. The frog is near the box. On. The frog is on the box.
Starter Unit. Vocabulary. Exercise 1. 1,
Poster,
2,
speaker,
3,
laptop,
4,
table,
5,
drawer,
6,
mobile phone,
7,
clock,
8,
board,
9,
dictionary,
10,
shelf,
11,
pen,
12,
notebook,
13,
desk,
14,
coat,
15,
chair,
16,
bag.
Activity 2. Refer to the picture in Activity 1 and answer these questions. You can also find these questions in English 1 textbook. Question 2, page 6. Fill in the blank using the prepositions that we have learned. Good luck. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.